Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, this class 10th subject English, and we are doing the exercise of the lesson the sermon at Banaras. Yesterday we did the examples of relative clause. Now today we are going to these sentences. You will open your book at page number 44. Now join the given pairs of sentences by changing one of the pairs into a relative clause. One has been done as an example. नीचे जो सेंटेंस दिए गए हैं इनको जोड़ना है रिलेटिव क्लास से और एक एग्जाम के तौर पर दिया गया है, हल किया गया है। जैसे My brother has made a mark in the field of art and literature. Part number 1. Sentence number 2. My brother is living in France these days. So we have to join these sentences by relative clause. As my brother who is living. It is my brother who is living in France these days has made a mark in the field of art and literature. That means there is my brother and there is my brother. My brother who is living is, that means this my brother is living in France these days. Actually this is the extra information about my brother who has made a mark in the field of art and literature. Though he is living in France, but he has made a mark in the field of art and literature. So this is an extra information. We join this by who, because this is the subjective case. Now sentence number 2. A waitress served us. A waitress served us. She was very polite and patient. A waitress served us. Waitress served us. She was very polite. That means the waitress who served us was very polite and patient. As you see here, a waitress who served us was very polite and patient. That means we will join these sentences by who. A waitress who served us was very polite and patient. Sentence number 2. The government passed a law. The public didn't accept it. Government passed a law which or that public did not accept. That means government passed the law which public, that means the law. The law is here thing, or we can say we use which are that with the animals. So this law is a thing, it is not the person. We use here we can use here who, but we should use here which or that. Government passed a law which or that, दोनों में से एक इसको लगेगा. Public did not accept. Number 4. A girl was highly praised. She saved a baby from drowning. A girl who saved, that means we are talking about a girl who saved a baby from drowning, was highly praised. Tom could not walk properly. Tom was lame. Tom, who was lame, could not walk properly. We are talking about a Tom who is also lame. Who was lame could not walk properly. 6. I visited the school. Sir Muhammad Iqbal had studied in that school. That means this is also the subjective case, but this is the here case of place. So where there is place we use where. I visited the school. मैंने उस स्कूल का विजिट किया है जहाँ. where Sir Muhammad Iqbal has studied. ऑनली हमें लिखना है where Sir Muhammad Iqbal had studied. 7th, the fires caused widespread damage. They swept across much of the North Kashmir. तो कैसे हम इसे निकालेंगे? which आएगा इधर, or that the fires which swept across much of the North Kashmir caused widespread damage. तो यहाँ which का इस्तेमाल होगा. A play was staged in the theatre. It wasn't a great success. A play that was staged in the theatre wasn't a great success. तो यहाँ भी that आएगा. He is away from home a lot. Can you tell me? तो यहाँ रीज़न है, ये रीज़न है. He is away from home. तो क्या हम लिखेंगे? Can you tell me why he is away from home a lot? Can you tell me why he is away from home a lot? The manager spoke to the workers. Their work was below standard. यहाँ ये person है. The manager spoke to the workers whose, this is the position case here. तो यहाँ ये possessive case है. The manager spoke to the workers whose work was below standard. तो इसके साथ मैं आपको होमवर्क देता हूँ, आप ये कल करके लाएंगे, आप ये करेंगे इसको ट्राई. I met a boy, he was very cruel. Sentence number 2, the man is honest, the man is trusted. Where is the cheese? It was in the fridge. A bus goes to the airport, it runs every hour. If you see the first sentence, I met a boy who was very cruel. I met a boy who was very cruel. तो इसी तरह आप बाकी 3 सेंटेंस को ट्राई करेंगे खुद ही. I will share the photograph or the PDF file of this with you through the WhatsApp group. Hope that you will write it on your notebook. Thanks.